Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about real-time use of write, length and search function in text. So in our real-time project, we have faced this type of thing, this type of error. Here you can see we have a table of sentence, and in that table there is a column called text, and there are, you can see various type of text. Okay, but in front of each text there is some dashes, okay, and a space. So we want to get rid of it. We want only the sentences. So how to get it? Let's see. So here you can see this is the write function. What write function is doing, it is taking the column, then extracting some values. So I want 4 values to extract it from the right side. So here you can see from the whole sentence, with including the dashes, it is extracting the 4 characters from the right side. On the second sentence you can see U only, that is 3 characters, but in front of Y there is a space. Total is 4. So extracting 4 characters from the right side. Okay, so write works like that. Okay, so in our real scenario, what happened here? Here you can see I created another calculated column. Here you can see I have taken write, the column value, then length of the sentence. Here you can see what I have done. I am taking dynamically from the previous thing. You have seen that I have taken 4. I want only 4. Okay, but here I have taken it dynamically. It is from dynamically length is calculating the length of the sentence, that is dynamic. Okay, then there is a minus subtraction, then search. What search is doing? Search is searching for the dash and the space. Okay, from where the dash and the space will come, it will search from there. Okay, then from where it will search from the column, text column. Then you can see 2 commas are there. Why 2 commas? 2 commas are for the starting position and the ending position. If we want to specify the searching start position and the end position, we can do, but here it is not needed. And then 0 is for the default result. Okay, so what is happening actually, I am taking total length as dynamically from the right side. Okay, then subtracting with until when it is getting the dash, the position of the text, a dash. So here you can see, if we see the flower, this sentence, there is 10. If we count it, there will be 10. Okay, total length will be 10. So we want only flower. Okay, we want only flower. So what is happening here, it is getting 10. Okay, this one is 10. Okay, and then what is the search position? What is the when it is getting minus, on which position it is getting minus? Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th. At the 7th position the space is starting, 7th position, then 8th position is another dash, 9th and 10th. These 4 position included the space and the 3 dashes, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th position. So what write does, write is telling that subtract it from the length and give me the result. Okay, so it is getting 7, it is total 10. Okay, so I want from the result from the right side. So it is actually telling what? It is actually telling remove the excluded thing, remove the 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th position. Remove the 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th position. Okay, so what is remaining? Remaining is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So what is first position? First position is R, second position is E, third position is W, fourth position is O, fifth position is L and sixth position is F. So from the right side, take only the 6 positions and another 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th position will be removed. Like this, for the first sentence there are 8 characters. Okay, it will take first, second, third, fourth, only four characters it will take, and will remove from the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, because 5th contains the space, 6th contains the dash, 7th also and 8th also contain the dash. So like this it will work. I am taking it dynamically. Okay, here you can see this one I have hard coded it as 4, but here I am taking the length of the sentence as dynamic value. So like this it will work. It is very important concept. Often we have to face like this in our real project. So I think you have got a good understanding by this tutorial. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share it among your friends. Okay, support to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.